They all came up and they're eating all the chicken's food. I just told them to go away. See, the dog's upstairs. Whoa. Sorry about the finger. Hey. Down here there's oats and seeds and peas and grapes. Hey. No. Go on. Psst. Go. Psst. Go away. Go on. Naughty. You can't. No, if I feed you down there. Yes. Go on. Go on. They don't eat the carrots. The chickens eat the carrots. Go on. It's my girls and their boys. They're least scared. They're the ducklings that have grown up. No. Oh my God. And that Peking duck, it's a female, has been there for about 3 years. She's living well, and there's no foxes. Oh my God. And they all flew off when I scared them. There's about 10 males. Well, I hope you're all happy eating oat. I'm just going to leave it, and I won't feed them until the dog's down in future. My God. I don't have the heart to shoo them off. Oh my God. Okay, and there's a stick floating down there.